Ing banwang 2014, dineklarane ning CBCP anting kadwang banwa ning siyam mabanwang preparasyon king 500 years a selebrasyon ning pamanyatang ning Kristyanismo ket king Pilipinas. Kaniting banwang iti, deng Katolikong laiko, mayawos laking Diyos, bang maging bayani, amanimuna king pamagbayo at pamipabanal ning yato. Sabi naping Most Reverend Socrates B. Villegas, you have as your particular mission the sanctification and transformation of the world from within. In fact, many of you are called by the Lord to do service in the church. The Catechism defines the word laity as all the faithful other than the clergy, chosen to share Christian doctrines and life in the social, political, and economic affairs of society. You will bear witness to the non-practicing Catholics about the love of Christ. Through you, as evangelizers, the Church will be able to create opportunities for encounters with perceived non-practicing Catholics, even non-Catholics, and interfaith encounters. Ing banwaning laiko king Archdiocese ning San Fernando, Pampanga. Kapampangang laiko, mayawos king kabanalan, bayaning mituburan. In 2014, the Most Reverend Pablo Virgilio S. David, together with Archbishop Pasiano B. Aniceto, along with the clergy in the Archdiocese, supported the Archdiocesan Council of the Laity in the launching of the Archdiocesan activities for the Year of the Laity. The Church has not really been founded and is not yet fully alive, nor is it a perfect sign of Christ among men without the laity worthy of the name working along with the hierarchy. Your membership in the Church is a full membership. You belong to the Church as much as any pope, bishop, priest, or religious does. You are not second-class members of the people of God when you live the life of grace you are full citizens of God's kingdom on earth. Ing pangalay ko tamo, metungyang kayawsan king Diyos. A life of hearing a call from God to make choices and decisions in order to respond to a life of holiness. Be perfect as my Father in heaven is perfect. Ing laiko ning Santa Iglesia, atin yang partikular ang misyon, ing pami pabanal at pamagbayo, netong yan.
Dakilang layo